Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to set the DuckDuckGo browser as the default browser on your mobile phone. This is useful if you care about privacy. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. Scroll until you find the option called Default Browser. After that, tap on Default Browser, then tap on Browser App when your phone asks you to choose. From the list of installed browsers, select DuckDuckGo on your default choice. From now on, links you open from other apps will use DuckDuckGo automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.